Hey Brandon, great to be here as your chart co-pilot. I'm really digging into this AAPL 60-minute chart. It looks like Apple had a fantastic run-up from the low $230s all the way past $257, and now it's pulled back a bit, currently sitting around $253.34. I'm noticing a lot of horizontal lines here, which I'm taking as key support and resistance levels marked on the chart. The $252.88 line seems to be acting as immediate support, with $250.84 as a stronger level below that. On the upside, $257.70 looks like a recent high that could be a target. Given that strong prior uptrend, this current pullback and consolidation could be setting up for another leg higher. If it can hold that $252.88 support and then break above the immediate consolidation resistance, say around $254.50, we might have a good bullish opportunity. Do you see a similar pattern forming here? Maybe a potential bull flag, or just a consolidation before another leg up? Here's a potential options play based on that bullish outlook. All right, Brandon, great to be looking at this AAPL chart with you. This 60-minute time frame gives us a good detailed look at recent price action. I see Apple, AAPL, is currently at $253.32, which is slightly down for the day based on the info there. It looks like it's pulling back a bit after a strong run-up from the $235, 240 area earlier in September. From what I can tell, there are some really interesting horizontal lines drawn on the chart. These are likely key support and resistance levels you've identified, which is excellent. We've got strong resistance around $257.70. Immediate support seems to be sitting right around $252.88, which the price is flirting with right now. Below that, we're looking at $250.84 and further down at $240.10 and $235.30. The price action over the last few 60-minute candles on September 29th shows some indecision, with smaller bodies right around that $252.88 support level. It bounced off that level a few times, but it couldn't really push higher. Given the current setup, we have a couple of potential scenarios for options plays, depending on how this $252.88 level holds up. Do you see the price action around that $252.88 level as a potential bounce, or more of a breakdown point? Here are a couple of options. Play cards based on what I'm seeing. Options play 1, bullish bounce. Okay, Brandon, thanks for sharing this AAPL chart. It's on a 60-minute time frame, and I can see some clear levels drawn out. Right now, AAPL is trading around $253.29. It looks like it's pulled back a bit after hitting a resistance around $257.70 recently. The price seems to be consolidating, and it's currently sitting right on what appears to be a key horizontal support level at $252.88. This level looks like it was resistance before and is now being retested as support, which is often a strong bullish sign if it holds. The overall trend, especially from mid-September, has been quite bullish, with a strong move up and that diagonal trend line clearly showing higher lows. I'm seeing a potential bounce play here if this $252.88 support holds. What do you think? Does that $252.88 line stand out to you as a potential pivot point too? If we see a strong candle forming above $253.50, it could signal a continuation of the upward momentum to retest that $257.70